Guess who's in the market? Buyers and sellers. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. A lot more homes hit the market during May, and it wasn't just a seasonal thing. Sellers are off the fence and in the market. While prices were down slightly from April, they were still up more than 90,000 compared with last May. There was strong sales activity in almost every East Bay community during May, topping this time last year by almost 80 units. Let's look at local markets, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale, up almost everywhere with big increases in Fremont, Oakland, and Union City. Prices also up almost everywhere. Albany at more than 1.6, Fremont more than 1.8. Sales a little mixed, way up in Albany and Castro Valley, down in Hayward, Oakland, and San Lorenzo. West Contra Costa County is up next. Homes for sale, up almost everywhere, more than double in El Cerrito and Hercules. Prices mixed, way down in El Sobrante and San Pablo, Richmond up to more than 700,000. Sales also mixed, El Sobrante up, Hercules and Pinole way down. Let's check Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, up everywhere. Martinez, 48 for sale, and Walnut Creek, 60, both way up. Prices mixed. Clayton up to more than 1.3 and Walnut Creek more than 1.6. Martinez and Pleasant Hill both down slightly. Sales mixed. Concord and Martinez both up 10% or more. Clayton down. Next up, Lafayette, Moraga, and Orinda. Homes for sale, up everywhere. Orinda, 36 for sale. Prices up everywhere. Moraga up 20% to more than $2 million. Sales mixed. Moraga down more than 25%. We're in the Tri-Valley next. Homes for sale, up everywhere. Dublin, 27 for sale. Livermore, 77 for sale. Prices up almost everywhere. Alamo, Danville, and San Ramon all in the $2 million range, with Pleasant at almost $2 million. Sales mixed with slight changes both up and down compared to last May. Let's wrap it up in the Delta. Homes for sale, up everywhere. Antioch and Brentwood both up at least 25%. Oakley, 74 for sale, up 80%. Prices mixed with just slight changes compared with last May. Sales mixed. Oakley with 52 sold, way up, while Pittsburgh, 37 sold, down more than 30%. Last thought, days on market, 15. That's down from 20 days during this time last year. We'll see you next month.